This cinematic animated website I just made by using Claude's latest model, Claude Fable 5 with Gemini Omni Flash. As you can see, as I'm scrolling down, how beautifully it's showing its animation. And here you can see has the middle part, and as I'm hovering over, it's also showing a light effect with the mouse. And I'm scrolling down, and that's the section for the items. And as you can see how beautiful it's showing the footer section in here. Some things are worth melting for. And if I scroll up again, you can see everything just going back again in a very smooth way. Okay, and here's the hero section. Awesome. So now let me show you how I made this website. By the way, I made a prompt template, and by using that prompt template, you can make any kind of website very cinematic and animated like this. And I had given that prompt template in the description completely for free. So watch the rest of the video where I'll show you how you can create that template and also how you can use that with Claude Code to make this kind of websites. So without wasting more time, let me show everything step by step in the most easiest way possible. So as you can see, I'm inside the Claude, and here I'm using that through the Claude desktop application. So here our main task is we need to generate 4 prompts. The first 3 prompts will be used to generate 3 video clips by using the Gemini Omni, and the 4th prompt, or in another word you can say the final prompt, which will be used to make the complete cinematic website by using the Claude Fable 5. So to make the perfect prompt, in here I'm using a prompt formula, and I had given the prompt formula in the description. You can grab that completely for free. So if you follow that link, you will simply come to this exact community. As you can see, we launched our Hello AI free community for all of the members so that everyone can join and they can get the resources. So after joining this community, you have to just go to the community section, and here if you go to the YouTube resources, you'll get the today's video resource, which is Claude Fable 5 plus Gemini Omni. And again, if you want to find any other resources, just go to the search bar and then search with that exact YouTube video title, then you will get the exact resource. So here you have to just come here and you'll get this exact PDF. Just open that, and here you can see it's ready to use. All I have to do, just copy the whole thing from the top to the bottom like this. Okay, I'll just copy that, and then I'll go to the Claude, and in this exact place I'll just paste that. We just pasted the prompt formula, and here I'm using the Opus 4.8 because in this case we don't need the Claude Fable 5. So here we have to give 2 things. The first thing is what kind of website I need. The second thing is the business name of my website. So let's say that we want to make a website for a chocolate ice cream, and the name of my website will be Choco Ice. As you can see, I'd given these 2 simple things, and now I'll go with send. So based on these inputs and by following the prompt formula, now it will give me 4 prompts. The first 3, as I already told you, for Gemini Omni, and the last one will be for the complete website. And as you can see, it started the work. Here's our first video prompt, which is for the hero section, and that's the middle part prompt, and that's the footer video prompt, and lastly it's giving the number 4 prompt, and that's the most important thing in here, which will build the complete website. So let me just copy the first prompt in here so that we can generate the video inside Gemini Omni. So I just copy the prompt, and to use the Gemini Omni, in here I'm using the Higgsfield, and I'd given the link in the description. If you want, you can use other tools too. So if you want to use the Higgsfield like me, just simply come to Higgsfield, and here I'll go to the video section, and from here I'll choose the Gemini Omni Flash. And by the way, if you think that Gemini Omni Flash is not good for you, you can go with Sidens 2.0 or like other models too. It's up to you. So here in the place of prompt, I'll simply paste the prompt that I copied from the Claude, which is the first one. As you can see, that's the one I'm using. And then in the place of duration, make sure you choose 8 seconds. And in the place of aspect ratio, make sure you choose 6:9, which means the horizontal video shape. Don't go with the vertical shape because our website will be must in horizontal shape. And now let's go with generate. So as you can see, it's generating right now. So in this meantime, let me give the rest of the 2 prompts in the same way. So for that, I'll just delete this one, and then I'll go to the Claude again, and now I'll go to the video 2, and I'll just copy the whole thing like this, and then in this exact prompt box I'll just paste that, and as like the same way I'll go with generate, and it's processing. And in this meantime, I'll go with the last prompt. For that, I'll go to the again Claude, and here I'll copy this exact one, copy, and then I'll go back in here in the prompt box, I'll paste that, and then I'll go with generate again. And just to show you, let me just open the first video. That's good. And here's the second video. Let me show you. Yeah, that's also cool. And here's our last video. Okay, so that's actually the footer section animation. Awesome. So now we have to download that, all of the videos in a specific folder, and that folder will give to Claude Code so that it can get access to all of these 3 video files. So make sure you download all of the video files in a exact place. So first let me show you how I'm downloading these videos. I'll just go with the first one, and now I'll just download that in a new folder. For that, let me just create a folder. So here I'll go with a new folder, and I'll just name this as like chocolate ice cream website, so that I can remember that that's the folder used. I'll just go with open, I'll go with save, and in this case I'll go with like 1 so that you can understand that that's the first one. And now I'll go with this video, and this video I'll name that as number 2. I'll go with save, and the same way I'll go with the last video. I'll go with number 3, then I'll go with save. So make sure you also download in this way. It will be very helpful for Claude Code to understand which video will be used in which part. So now we have to go to Claude again, and here you can see that's the last prompt. Okay, so I'll just copy this exact prompt from the top to the bottom like this. Okay, until here I'll copy, and now I'll go to the Claude Code. I'll go to the code section, I'll go with a new session. Awesome. And here our first task is we have to give access to the exec folder. So in this case, as you can see, there's a folder option. I'll go with that, and then I'll go with open folder, and we created this exec folder for our website, which is chocolate ice cream. I'll choose that, then I'll go with select this folder. It will ask for a permission. Let's go with trust the workplace. And now we have to choose that we want to use the Fable 5, and after that we are pasting the complete prompt that we just copied right now. For just the reference, again, it can get access to that exact video, but for just the reference, we're giving the videos in here just by going with this plus. Then I'll go with add files or photos, and then I'll choose the videos sequentially. So the first video will be this, and the second video will be this, and the third video will be this. Okay, and then I'll go with open. So the prompt what you are using to make the complete website, instead of reading the whole thing, let me give you a quick overview. So basically this prompt handles everything on its own. It grabs the 3 videos that I dragged in and uses them as like backgrounds. The first one is for the hero section, the second one is for the middle part, and the last part is for the footer section. It sets up smooth butter scrolling with the Lenny's and GSF. So in here I'm using these 2 so that it doesn't feel very junky when I scroll. As you understand that if you use videos in websites, it actually make the website very heavy, and when you scroll it makes very much junky and the experience feels very bad. And also it got a loading screen, a signature moment where the name of that website, in this case the Choco Ice, will be built up later by later over the chocolate video. And I also already logged the colors, the mood, the fonts inside this exact prompt, so Claude doesn't have to guess anything from itself. So you only have to just paste the last command to the Claude Code, and now the rest of the things will Claude Code will do by itself. And in here we are using the Claude Fable 5. As you can understand that this is one of the most strongest model from Claude, and it works really insane, and it already started the work. As you can see, this session has been automatically named as cinematic scroll website for Choco Ice, and in this main process it will ask some permission. Make sure you always go with always allow. And obviously to make the website it will take some minutes because it's not an easy task. In here you have to do so many things at once. So I'll be back with you after just getting the complete website. So we just got the website, and as you can see it's saying here it's live in this exact localhost. So let me show the website real quick. As you can see it's loading right now. Okay, so here's the hero section. Now I'm scrolling down. Okay, it's looking cool, looking cool. I'm scrolling down. Okay, that's the second animation. Awesome. So this is the dark chocolate stuffs. So basically in here you can see it's kind of like showing here some balls. So if I say that like replace with images, let's say like different chocolate items, it can do that. So basically in here we didn't give in any extra details, so that's why it's kind of like showing something like ball elements. But if you want you can just change that with the product images. So let me just scroll down, and also in here you can see that I'm kind of like hovering with my mouse and it's showing a light effect with that, and that's making that very expensive. And if I scroll, you can see a little animation, and here's the footer animation. Awesome. And from me, this website is literally a 10 out of 10. And you can see that like only from just a single prompt, we made this a complete website. And in here for the videos, we use the Gemini Omni. And if you want, you can use other models too, as I already told you. And especially in this website, I really like the text effects. As you can see, I'm kind of like scrolling down and literally just showing very beautiful way the name of the website, which is Choco Eyes. And you can make a website like this too. Just use the template that I given you, and based on that, what kind of website you want, just say that to Claude. Let's say that you want to make a space rocket ship website, just say that and give a name, random name, and it will just give you. And about the credits, if I say you that like how much it costed me, I believe that a single 5-hour session is enough to make a website like this. And in here I'm using the extra effort, so if you actually use the high effort, I think it will cost you less credits. And if you use like smarter effort or like ultra code effort, let's say, it will cost you more credits. And again, it depends like what kind of plan you're going with. In here I'm using the pro plan. If you're a max plan user, obviously you have more session limit than me. In that case, you can make like 2 websites or like 3 websites in just one single 5-hour session. And again, we are using the Claude Fable 5. You know that that will cost you much than other models. So yeah, that's the whole video. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like. And as like always guys, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.